Okay, so for the next step, we're going to want to move over to Integromat. You can just find this at integromat.com, and you should come in once you sign up for an account. We're going to want to go into our dashboard, and then we're going to want to go and create a scenario. So if you ever used Zapier before, you have Zaps. This is the same in Integromat, they're just called scenarios. So let's go to our first thing we want to connect. It's going to be Shopify, and our second thing we're going to want to connect is Google Sheets, and we can add the rest in later. So press continue. So Integromat makes it really easy to follow flows. So start by clicking here and add our first module. First module is going to be Shopify. We're going to watch orders. It's going to be any orders. Make sure you add your connection in here. I've already done it. Financial status any, fulfillment status any, limit 2. Okay, from now on. Okay, now we have Shopify. You can set your schedule, which you're going to do later. But once you have Shopify, you can add another module, and we're going to have Google Sheets. And then we're going to go to add a row. So each time a new order comes in, Integromat will run. It will pull the details of the order, and we're going to find the spreadsheet. So it's going to be MakerMap. Here we go. Find your spreadsheet. Then find the sheet. Table contains headers. Yes. Cool. So it's pulled my headers. And now what we want to do is map the data across. So we're going to want the order value. I'm going to leave the date for now because we're going to have to do something with that. So the order value is going to be, we're going to have to find the value. So the only thing is that sometimes it takes a while to find order ID. This is basically mapping all the fields across, so you can map the details going from Shopify into a Google Sheet. The order number, okay, cool. So once you've done all of them, you can leave these columns here blank, because these are the columns that we just used for ourselves in the sheet, which can contain our formulas. And once you've got that, what you're going to want to do is go up to your date column. And if you ever dealt with dates before in Integromat or Zapier or anything like that, often you find that they come in different styles, and the style that we want them to come in is this format here, because all of our formulas run off of this format. So Integromat has something for that, which is let me just find it, under the date and time header here. So if you click in this field, click this, and now you want to find format date. So format date in the first part is we're going to want to go back into the start, and we're going to want to find the created at. So the created at date is when the order came through, created at date. And in the second part, we're going to want to do the format which we're going to want the date in. So we're going to want the day, and we're going to want the month, and then we're going to want the year. Okay, there we go. So it's going to come in like this, and it's going to format it out like that, which is then going to match what we have here, and then it's going to enable all of our formulas to run and update. Okay, now press OK. So you can test this if you want, but this is going to be the basis, and that's it for this step. We're going to have our orders come in, it's going to watch, and then it's going to create a new row into Google Sheets. You can run it just to see if anything gets pulled through, but you'll need live orders for this, but it's working okay. Cool, on to the next step.